What are your resolutions for 2022 and how do you plan to succeed? A lot of people don't know that there's a lot of research that's gone into goal achievement and resolution achievement. How do you be successful at hitting these goals that you set for yourself? A lot of people get frustrated when they set goals for themselves and then they don't end up being successful, but you can really increase your chance of success by doing three things. Step number one is just setting a reasonable goal. If you ask too much of yourself and set an ambitious goal, you might think that that's going to be motivating, but a lot of people find it demoralizing as soon as they realize that they're not really keeping up with the pace that they're supposed to. Focus on setting a good but achievable goal. Be on track to meet that, and then you can turn up the difficulty once you're along your way. Tip number two is having a plan. Let's say that I wanted to lose weight this year and I wanted to lose a lot, like 40 pounds or something like this. That would require a pretty ambitious plan, setting a lot of time aside for meal planning and exercise. And if I can't come up with a plan to get me there, then I'm not going to get there. I'm not going to be successful. So it's a really good exercise to make sure that realistic in what you're expecting of yourself and that you're going to be able to get started and launching into it as soon as you get rocking. Tip number three is sharing your goal with other people. I am very good at keeping promises to other people, but tend to be a little bit flaky when I'm making promises to myself. By sharing your goal with the rest of the world, you're kind of doing a bit of a flip to turn it into an external promise that you're making to the world, which helps it become more real and helps you take it more seriously. On that note, my real goal for this video is to share my resolutions for the year in accordance with this. I want to turn my TikTok channel and YouTube channel and my personal website into a resource for scientists who want to learn more about writing and marketing. The three aspects of that plan are writing 24 blog posts for my personal website, creating 24 videos for both TikTok and YouTube, and then 240 LinkedIn posts to try to connect with other people who are in this area. So I'll explain a little bit more about each of these. So first off is the 24 blog posts. This is definitely the easiest one. I wrote something like 100 blog posts in 2021. Putting 24 together for my website should be pretty trivial, though I do want to be focusing a lot more on quality rather than quantity. Some of the subjects that's going to be covered in this are going to be things like how to get into science writing, guides to how to improve and distribute your research better. I'm going to be doing videos as well because I really like doing videos and I want to expand my video making skills. The content is going to be heavily similar to what's going on in the blog posts, but I want to be able to share that into a different medium, and I think that'll add to the blog posts as well to be able to make these in tandem. The last one is the 240 LinkedIn posts, and this might be the hardest one of the three for me. I've been on LinkedIn for a number of years now and it's never really clicked for me, but I'm hoping that if I really push myself to make the most out of the platform, that it'll start working for me in a way that I kind of get it, essentially. Yeah, 240 posts over the course of the year is about 2 out of every 3 days. So hopefully that'll be enough for me to really get a feel of how to use the program effectively. That's my plan, though. I would love to hear yours. Follow me in all the places to track me in this mission. I'm really hoping to be able to create something useful for other people. And I hope that this has provided a little bit of inspiration for you to make the most out of 2022.